हेलो स्टूडेंट, हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे रिएक्शन विथ मेटल। किसका ना? हेलो एल्केन्स का। तो पहले मैं थोड़ा आइडिया दे दिया था गिग्ना रिएजेंट क्या है ना। गिग्ना रिएजेंट है एल्किल मैग्नीशियम हैलाइड, जनरली CH3 MgBr, नोन एज ए गिग्ना रिएजेंट। तो आज हम लोग एक एक करके इसका प्रिपरेशन में इसका प्रिकॉशन क्या लेंगे और इसका केमिकल रिएक्शन डिस्कस करेंगे। इसका जो केमिकल रिएक्शन है हम लोग एगेन अल्कोहल में पढ़ेंगे, एगेन एल्डिहाइड कीटोन में पढ़ेंगे, एसिड में पढ़ेंगे। सब चैप्टर में गिग्ना रिएजेंट का एप्लीकेशन भरा हुआ है। तो गिग्ना रिएजेंट को इसीलिए मैं स्पेशली एक क्लास में रखा हूं। तो आज हम लोग एट फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस द प्रिपरेशन, सिंपल प्रिपरेशन। वी आर टेक एल्किल हैलाइड and magnesium metal in presence of dry ether, then we are get RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. If we are take CH3Cl or Br and magnesium dry ether, then we are get CH3MgBr. Very simple. But important question is why we are using dry ether? Why we are using dry ether? Because Grignard reagent is a very strong nucleophile or very active reagent. So a Grignard reagent reaction with water given CH4 MgBr, that is the alkane. So a small amount of water converted to alkane. If we take general reaction RMgX, then we get RH, that is also alkane. So we are using dry ether for preparation of Grignard reagent or alkyl magnesium halide. So that is the preparation. Then we are discuss the reaction of Grignard reagent. Reaction of Grignard reagent. Number 1, with carbonyl compounds or preparation of alcohol. We have discussed preparation of alcohol in terms of preparation, also in terms of reaction. Now we are take carbonyl compound. If it is R and it is hydrogen, then it is aldehyde. If it is R, then it is ketone. Both are alkyl group, then ketone. If one of the alkyl and one of the hydrogen, then it is aldehyde. So we have discussed RMgX. Grignard is a good living nucleophile attached to the carbonyl carbon, and that is so we are get O minus MgX plus. If we are using dilute HCl, then it is converted to alcohol, that is the alcohol. Interesting, if we are take hydrogen, then it is 1 degree alcohol. So in case of preparation of 1 degree alcohol, we are take formaldehyde and Grignard as a RMgX. That means if we are prepare CH3 CH2OH, there are 3 groups. One of is the methyl, hydrogen and hydrogen. Methyl is must be taken in a Grignard CH3 MgBr and hydrogen taken in that. So we are get any objection? That is 1 degree. in case of 2 degree, that is one hydrogen replaced by other group C2H5. So smallest group taken in the Grignard and remaining group taken in the carbonyl. So remaining group C2H5 and hydrogen. So that is the C2H5, that is the hydrogen. So that is the C2H5 and that is the C2H5. So that is 2 degree alcohol. So in case of 2 degree alcohol, one of the alkyl group taken in the Grignard, another alkyl group, that is the Lal alkyl group taken in the carbonyl. In case of 3 degree means having 3 alkyl group, may be same or different, that is not important. So another group is, suppose C3H7, we have taken different, it may be same. C3H7, what is the smallest group? CH3. So CH3 Mg we are taken in the Grignard and remaining 2 groups C2H5 and C3H6 taken in the carbonyl. C2H5 and C3H7. That is the C3H7 and that is the C3H7. So that is the 3 degree alcohol. That means in case of 1 degree, alkyl group taken in the Grignard and both hydrogen taken in the carbonyl. In case of 2 degree alcohol means having 2 alkyl group. One of the alkyl, that is the small alkyl, if alkyl group are different, then taken in the Grignard and another alkyl group taken in the carbonyl and remaining hydrogen. In case of 3 degree, all are alkyl group, then smallest alkyl group taken in the Grignard and remaining 2 alkyl group taken in the carbonyl. Very, very interesting. And that is also discussed in the second chapter, alcohol. We are discussing here details. Okay. Then we are go to preparation of aldehyde. By using Grignard agent. It is also discussed in the third chapter, aldehyde and ketone. So, preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Number 1 process with the help of Grignard. Now, HC triple bond N plus RMGX. Nucleophile attack to the carbon. Any doubt? If nucleophile attack to the carbon, then triple bond converted to double bond because carbon having a tetravalency. 1, 2, 3, 4. If alkyl group coming, then 5. So must be that forming a 4 bond. So HCr double bond N minus MgX plus. If it is hydrolysis, that is H3O plus or dilute HCl, H3O plus or dilute HCl both are same, then it is convert HCr double bond O, that is the aldehyde. That is the aldehyde. If we are prepared ketone, then that is replaced by R. Both are maybe same or different, no problem. That is R. That is R. One of the reaction, if we are remembering, then it is useful for both preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Thick. Aldehyde and ketone both are simultaneously discussed. Then number 2. HC double bond O, OC2H5 and Grignard. Grignard always taken RMGX. We are taken CH3 MgBr, no problem. Attack, open, again close, again leaving. in a one step. Attack, open, close, leaving. That is 8 C double bond O R. If we enhance the one of the step, then we get any doubt? Here in a single step. Here in a single step. Open, negative, negative, close. So it is right as that. Bond break, bond form, again out. Okay. If we prepare ketone, H is replaced by R. Same. That is the ketone. Any doubt? Then number 3, HC O C2H5, O C2H5 and O C2H5 RMGX. Attack bar. R. Then dilute HCl. It is converted to HC double bond O R. Through hydrolysis, OC2H5, OC2H5 converted to double bond O. If H is replaced by R, then it is ketone. So that is the preparation of aldehyde and ketone with the help of Grignard reagent. Then preparation of acid. Preparation of acid. Very, very important. Now, carbon dioxide, RMGX, attacked, open, O minus, MgX plus, R minus, MgX plus, that is exists as a salt. If we using dilute HCl, it is converted to C double bond O R OH. That is the acid. That is the acid. So that is the preparation of alcohol, aldehyde ketone and acid by using of Grignard reagent. So that is the chapter of Grignard reagent. Generally only one discuss preparation of Grignard reagent in a haloalkane, but we are discussing the all because all are discussed in the next चैप्टर. ओके, आज के लिए इतना. फिर मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, कोई भी दिक्कत है तो मुझको बोलो. देखो जनरली मैं कोई एक्टिंग टेक्टिंग नहीं करता हूं, जो कंटेंट है वही पढ़ाता हूं. अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. ठीक, और मुझको मैं जो बोलता हूं कहां पे भी दिक्कत होगा कमेंट में लिखो, तो मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में मास्ट डिस्कस करूंगा. ये मेरा रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. थैंक यू.